I don't give a fuck. Let me in now.
No, but
You try to run me over. Let me the f in or you're getting arrested too.
On December 30th, 2022, Officer Pan of the Mount Dora Police Department in Lake County, Florida conducted a traffic stop that quickly escalated from a minor marijuana offense into multiple violent felonies. Officer Pan stopped the vehicle after detecting marijuana odor as it passed near a convenience store. Under Florida law, a trained officer's detection of that odor alone constitutes sufficient probable cause to search a vehicle. The Florida Supreme Court in State v. Betz confirmed marijuana odor is probable cause under the Fourth Amendment automobile exception. Officer Pan maintained his legal position when the driver denied any marijuana was present. Without warning, the driver turned the vehicle toward Officer Pan and accelerated. Under Florida statute, section 784.07, battery on a law enforcement officer using a vehicle is a second-degree felony punishable by up to 15 years. Officer Pan initiated pursuit. He had already run the plate and knew the registered address. During the chase, his radio channel shifted, cutting off dispatch communication at a critical moment in an active felony pursuit.
12 Mount Dora, 1050. 12 to 11, just signal 14 mile on Odor and Village. Hello, sir. I'm Officer Paschal, City Mount Dora. So the reason I'm stopping you today was whenever you were passing me.
The stop?
The reason for the stop.
Yeah, it's a stop.
Okay, I'm letting you know why I stopped you. All right.
Sorry, not mucho speaking English.
All right, because I can smell weed coming out of the car. There's yes. Don't lie to me.
No weed, Papa. No.
Yes, there is.
No weed.
11. If I could have additional reference 31. Fuck. He just took a 10-8 on me. IX2 6 Delta Whiskey almost hit me. Over here!
Hey, no. My brother.
I don't give a fuck.
Easy, Papa.
Let me in now.
No, but
You try to run me over. Let me the fuck in or you're getting arrested too.
me go.
He bailed out. He's in his residence. Apartment 1. He barricaded himself.
Okay. Come on, man. It's holiday.
You here now. Move.
Yo vengo de la Valkyrie. Él me echó algo en el bolsillo de acá.
I got a family interfering with me.
Bro, ese es my brazo.
I don't get, hey, get away!
Vieja, espérate.
Get back!
Vieja, dale un break, déjalo. Yo, déjame pararme.
You're gonna give me
No
a second
speak
now.
English, bro.
You ran from me.
No speak English.
That's fine.
Ya lo, me duelen las manos, bro.
All right.
Me duelen las manos, bro.
Yeah.
Yo,
Get
me
up.
duelen las manos.
Get up.
Espérate.
Get up. Let's go.
Yo, me duelen las manos. Me tiene las manos.
That one goes to jail too.
Ya, esa es mi carro.
That one, gray shirt running from you.
Ale, no te...
Oye, en el piso, ya, no joda más, cojones. No sé, señora. Ya.
Vieja, quédate quieta. Yo vengo del trabajo.
I don't give a fuck what you just came from. Two detained. You know the plethora of felonies you just got?
What?
How many felonies you just got?
No, me no speak English, bro.
Oh, no shit, huh?
No speak English.
Cool.
Yeah.
Sit back. You're arrested, you're going to jail. You understand that? Get in. There's gonna be dope in the car. Brother.
They're asking, is everybody got everything?
Yeah. My shit changed. My shit changed channels.
Dile por qué me está afectando.
12 Odor, I apologize. During the altercation, channels changed. I have 2, 10, 15.
Y el cabrón este que me dice que no es necio con la marihuana.
You good? Good, bro? Yeah. This motherfucker tried to hit me. Okay. Yeah. She wouldn't get out of my way, so I reached in. She tried pushing me out. I pushed her out of my fucking way and snatched dude in my car up.
It's fresh pursuit, right?
While snatching him up, that other dude got involved, tried to reach in the dude's pockets, trying to get contraband. I backed him up too, and now she's just losing her fucking mind.
Wow, that's tough. You gonna employ this?
Yeah, I'm gonna have felony charges.
Porque no ha hecho nada. Y él se metió adentro. Ya lo saben. Ustedes son responsables. Que no hay ningún delincuente, coño.
Did a traffic stop, made contact with the guy in my back seat. I said, hey man, I smell weed come from the vehicle. He said, no you don't. I said, yeah man, get out. Fucking turns the vehicle towards me, gunned it. I had to back up out of the way.
Did he hit you at all?
No. Yeah. After that, I chased the vehicle to here.
From how far?
From Village. I knew where his address was. I already ran the tag. So he came right here. He bailed out, went inside, locked the door. The one that Kenny has right now. He's like, that's my brother. What are you doing? I said, open the door. He said, no, fuck you. Walked that way. Whenever mom opened the door finally, I said, move. She didn't. I reached around, pushed her right the fuck out of the way. Went hands on with him. He started resisting. Finally got him down. And then brother started jumping on top of me from behind.
Okay.
And then mom did too.
You arrest some mom too?
I'm leaving her out of this. I can't even communicate with her. I'm pretty sure he threw the dope. you mind inventory this for me?
Absolutely.
Get my jitters down.
We got any 31?
I think he threw it
We're at, like,
between Village Grove and here.
okay. You want me to take a look and see if I can find it?
Yeah, if you could. He had a decent head start on me.
Ballpark, you think you saw it by any chance?
I didn't see it, but I'm thinking because he started swerving a lot right into the entrance of Spring Harbor.
So maybe he threw it down there?
Yeah.
Check over there. I'll do. Unless you
So the reason you chased him just because he tried to hit you?
Yeah.
Okay. As far as the hands-on shit, who'd you do force on? Both of them, or?
I would just escorting, and I would push him out of the way with my elbows. I didn't punch or hit anyone. No complaints of injury so far. Genius back there now doesn't speak English.
So you guys, like, he was in the hallway and you just, like, pinned him up against the wall?
Yeah, and then we went on the stairs because he kept trying to get away from me. Mom was getting on my back trying to pull me off. I turned back and said, get the fuck back. Brother came, started grabbing into his brother's pockets. I snatched the shit out of his hands, threw him back, and he kept coming back and getting on top of me. So I got him back on Leo and obstruction.
Okay.
This is why fucking dispatchers need to take the goddamn 1050.
I'll start gathering his information because I don't even know who he is.
Yeah.
Did you, whenever you want,
I got him back on Leo and resist without.
the gentleman that I have in the car?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll get his ID from your mother.
Yeah, I don't think she wants to talk with us.
Yeah, she's very
Well,
upset.
She keeps calling me a
ID,
puto right now.
Yeah.
Well, she kept yelling at me.
All right. Let me see if I can get his name and date of birth.
We have another one that needs to get. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. Fucking livid.
¿Tú quieres hablar con nosotros?
Yo quisiera hablar con mi mamá y
¿Qué?
que mi mamá esté presente.
Primero. Oh,
No, con que mi mamá esté presente en los de ustedes.
okay.
Porque es que ahora mismo, mira, yo salgo de la barbería.
Uh-huh.
Llego.
Hey, he wants his mother present.
Nope, he's a grown man.
Okay. No, tú no es. Ya tú eres un hombre. Esa es la.
Entonces, cuando salgo de la barbería, me detengo en el 7-Eleven a comprarme cigarrillos.
Ajá.
Cuando salgo del 7-Eleven, él viene detrás de mí. Hay un carro al frente, yo estoy detrás y él detrás de mí. Yo hago el stop. Y él dice que le di un olor a marihuana. ¿Cómo él le va a darle un olor a marihuana? Cuando yo arranco primero que él, tengo los cristales subidos. Él viene en la huevo en esta patrulla con los cristales cerrados. ¿Cómo él va a decir que yo le está dando olor a marihuana? Yo no le voy a negar, yo fumo marihuana y yo no se lo niego a
Está
nadie.
bien. Okay.
Pero
Cuando él te paró, no salió y todo eso.
y yo le estoy diciendo.
Eso fue
porque
una cosa que yo te paré para marihuana.
Él dice que le di un olor a marihuana y que
No,
me está
cuando
parando.
él te paró, bajaste los.
No,
¿sí?
no, yo tenía los windows bajados.
Ok, está bien.
Yo los
Ok.
tenía bajados. So, yo me voy porque él me está acusando de algo y yo digo, pues yo me voy y yo paro, que se me siga hasta mi casa porque en verdad yo no.
Sí, tú no puedes hacer eso.
Pero me fui porque en verdad hoy en día yo. ¿Sabes cómo son?
Papá, tú no
Ay,
puedes hacer eso.
Yo sé que lo hice mal.
The suspect fled to his apartment, locked the door, and barricaded himself inside. His brother refused entry, mistakenly believing a closed residential door could halt a lawful arrest that was already actively in progress. Under the fresh pursuit doctrine established in United States versus Santana, Officer Pan's warrantless entry was fully justified. Pursuit was continuous from the vehicular assault to the apartment door, satisfying every legal element. When the suspect's mother blocked the doorway and refused to move, Officer Pan displaced her with his elbow. Under Graham versus Connor, this minimal force was objectively reasonable given the vehicular assault he had just survived. Inside, the suspect resisted. The mother tried to pull Officer Pan off, and the brother reached into the suspect's pockets to remove contraband. Despite being outnumbered, Officer Pan used only soft, empty hand control throughout. With 2 detained, the brother claimed not to speak English. Under Miranda versus Arizona, rights advisements must be given in a language the subject understands. The radio channel failure was formally documented at this stage. Backup arrived, and Officer Pan confirmed no punches or strikes were used and no injuries reported. Officers searched near Spring Harbor for marijuana discarded during the chase, admissible under the fruit of the poisonous tree doctrine.
Misdemeanor, he now has 3 felonies and.
Sí. Ahora te.
Yo sé que yo lo hice mal.
Sí, sí,
yo
sí.
sé que
sí.
yo
No,
lo hice mal.
no, eso malísimo. Okay, está bien. Hey, do you have any more questions? More? I mean, because he pretty much
Did he explain why he ran?
he ran because well, he admits that he's wrong for running, but that you you smell the presence of marijuana, correct? And that he felt that there was no way for you to smell that, and he just took off. Honestly, he says he was wrong.
That's why he veered towards me.
Oye, ¿por qué usaste el carro para...?
No. Yo lo seguí derecho, él tiene cámara y él las puede ponerla, no le tire el carro encima. Yo
He claims that he didn't, he claims that he's going straight ahead.
No. Él tiene cámara, que él le enseñé los videos.
Exactly, that's why I'm charging you with it.
Exacto, él tiene la cámara.
Yo no en ningún momento yo le
All right, is there anything else that you would like me to... Yeah, because he admits taking off was wrong, so he's not surprised with the ramifications of what's going on. So, by the way,
I could smell the weed.
yeah. So as far as his rights are concerned, he understood them. You know, he waived an attorney and everything. So, all right, that's just for the record. Here you go.
Thank
Okay,
you, brother.
bye-bye. I want that. Okay.
Just shut off during the altercation.
Yeah, mine doesn't even. Mine doesn't even.
All right. Give that back to mother.
Is there anybody else that you want me to speak to? This must be. This yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. I know mom don't want to talk with me right now because I push her out of the way.
She's calling me. Talk to me.
Well, there's our adrenaline for the day.
Good job, man. Jesus.
I was just going to give an NTA. Because when I was coming out of 7-Eleven, he passed me with the windows down, raked the weed. I'm like, yeah, well, I'm stopping him.
NTA, that's it. It would have been simple.
This defendant pled no contest to the charges of battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting a law enforcement officer without violence on August 18, 2023. He was sentenced to 25 days in jail and 18 months of probation.
Marijuana was recovered from the vehicle, confirming the original probable cause. Under Carroll versus United States, the automobile exception permits a warrantless search when probable cause exists, validating the stop and all that followed. Through an interpreter, the suspect admitted fleeing was wrong and waived his right to an attorney. A valid Miranda waiver must be voluntary, knowing, and intelligent, placing the burden on the prosecution to prove the waiver met that standard. Officer Pan's original intent was a notice to appear, a civil citation for marijuana. The decision to use a vehicle as a weapon converted a single misdemeanor into 3 felonies, a pursuit, a barricade, and a physical altercation. On August 18, 2023, the suspect pleaded no contest to battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting without violence. He was sentenced to 25 days in jail and 18 months of probation. The mother was not charged. Officer Pan receives a B+. His stop was legally valid, his pursuit justified under the fresh pursuit doctrine, and his force proportional throughout. His grade is reduced only by the radio channel failure that cut off dispatch during the pursuit. The primary suspect receives a D. A simple citation became 3 felonies through his own escalating choices. His brother receives a C- for physically interfering with the arrest and attempting to remove contraband from the scene. The key lesson: a traffic stop is only as simple as the driver allows. Every escalation flowed directly from the driver's own decisions. Full compliance would have ended this entire encounter as a simple citation in under 5 minutes. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you found this informative, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We will see you in the next one.